I'm so excited to reveal to you our new Christmas gift sets. They are now available and ta-da! Here they are. So what's inside the boxes? Well, first thing to say is that we have two fabulous gift sets here. One is the Jade gift set and one is the body. So the first thing to say about these gorgeous gift sets is the beautiful box that they come in. This is a reusable box, sturdy, in beautiful nephrite jade green with our lovely iridescent Hayo'u logo on the front, giving you the call to action to actually take care of yourself and think about your self-care, not just for Christmas, but for the rest of your life as well. So once you open up the box, then what you have inside are these rather beautiful gifts. This one is the Jade gift set. Now this is the Jade Beauty Restorer, the Jade Precision Tool, a miniature oil and a rather special invitation to a masterclass which will become available on the 1st of December, which will teach you how to get the best out of your products. Now this is a wonderful gift for anybody that's new to gua sha or is interested in deepening their gua sha practice. Perhaps they already have a gua sha tool and they'd like a second for that all-important spa experience, or perhaps they haven't yet seen the wonders of what happens when you mix the Beauty Restorer with the Jade Precision. All, of course, with our wonderful miniature bottle of oil and the all-important lesson. The key to this brand is not only the really high quality of the crystals, which are artisan made and hand selected, but also in the fact that we have unparalleled information about how to get the best out of these tools and how we can help you really get the best out of your own skin. So this is a rather wonderful product, and the best thing of all is that we've managed to produce the whole gift set at a wonderfully discounted price. It's normally would be priced at £120, but we've managed to reduce it by 30% to an absolute bargain of £84. Now that is a very, very high perceived value gift for a very good price. Not only that, is that these products are going to last you a lifetime, and the information that we're going to teach you with how to use these products will also ensure that you really do get the best out of your skin. So this is the face. Now we also have a secondary gift, which is the body. Now it comes in the same beautiful jade packaging, and then you open it up to reveal this wonderful set, including the jade body comb, the body restorer, the tutorial and the body oil. This is a wonderful present for anybody that is interested in taking the gua sha that they probably know and love on their face and beauty into the deeper practice of gua sha and body combing into the body. Now, if anyone isn't completely sure about how to do that, the gift set comes with an invitation to the masterclass all about how to get the best out of body combing and body gua sha. And this is really what sets the brand apart, that we are giving you these amazing products, but also the amazing content and how to get the best out of them as well. So this wonderful gift set is at the bargain price of £79.20, reduced by 20% from its normal RRP of £99. So again, a rather wonderful saving to give you the best possible Christmas that you could ever give to your mum, your sister, your auntie, perhaps even some really special friends. So Merry Christmas from all of us here at Hayo'u.